You don't stop thinking by exercising willpower. That would not be helpful. For example, holding your breath, I don't recommend that. Because you could stop thinking by holding your breath and getting very tense, and then you're feeling you're holding thought at bay, like this. But the moment you start breathing again, thought will rush back in, even more strongly than before. Holding your breath, I don't recommend that. For example, not holding your breath, but being aware that you're breathing. Observing that you're breathing, observing the in-breath, feeling it, sensing it, and the out-breath. And even being aware of a short gap at the end of each in and out breath. You breathe in and out, and there's a cessation at the end of the out breath, a natural cessation. And then you breathe in again, and you continue to be aware of your breathing and